Hello viewers. You must be wanting your own budgeting app which does not leak your information. I was also one of you. I researched about it a lot and I got to know that we can make our own app integrated with Excel, and I want to share this with you. If you also want to make your own app free of cost and without coding, please watch this video till end and also hit the subscribe button to never miss another updates. Let's begin.
Open an empty Excel file from the blank Excel workbook, and now make a table with the following headers: and enter 10 records, for example, to display on the app. Now save this file as home budgeting on desktop. Open Google Drive from Chrome. Upload home budgeting file from desktop on Google Drive.
Search AppSheet.com on another tab and sign in with your existing Gmail account. Click on Create and select Start with existing data and choose your data. You can change your app name also here. Now select source as Google Sheet and search for home budgeting file which you have uploaded. Click on Customize your app. Now we will format our columns.
Type the formula as shown. Select the type number for serial number column. Date column should have today as initial value. Select the type E number for type column. Type receipt and payment in the values column.
Select buttons, input mode. Tick label buttons for particulars only. Select type enum for particular column and long text for description column. Tick allow others value. Select type price for amount column and currency symbol as rupees. Keep clicking on save button once any changes have been made. Now we will add a virtual column named month with app formula as shown. Adding one more virtual column naming amount and app formula as shown. Click on save button. Now we will add UX view which will help in display of our app. Group by the report view with the month column, type column and group aggregate by amount column. Select the options as shown. Save again. Now we will customize the look and the feel of our app. Select any color you want.
You can apply your own logo, launch image and background image by selecting custom option. New format rules will change the look of our data in our app. Now we will change the column order of the data in app.
Changing data format in our app.
Now we will see how to use this app on your mobile phone. Open your mobile phone and open Play Store. Search for AppSheet and download it. You can see I have already downloaded it. Click on open once downloaded. In recent tabs, you will see your app. Now you can enter your data.